Welcome to this module on rational decision-making models. In this section, we will explore structured approach to decision-making, with a particular focus on rational choice theory. This model helps leaders make informed and logical decisions by following a semantic process. Rational decision-making is a methodical approach where decisions are made logically, based on reason and data. The goal is to choose the option that maximizes value or benefits. This process involves carefully analysis of information and systematic evaluation of alternatives. Rational choice theory is a foundational concept in rational decision making. It assumes that individuals make decisions by rationally evaluating options to maximize their utility. The theory involves understanding preference, identifying constraints, and optimized choices. The rational decision-making process involves several key steps. First, you identify the problem. Then, gather the relevant information. Next, you generate possible solutions and evaluate the alternatives. After choosing the best alternative, you implement the decision and monitor its outcome. This structured approach ensures that all factors are considered and the decisions are made systematically. Let's look at a case study where rational choice theory was applied. Imagine a company decide on a new product launch. By following the rational decision-making steps, identify the problem, collecting the data, and evaluate options, the company was able to choose the most profitable product to launch. This case illustrates how rational choice theory guides structured and effective decision-making. Rational decision-making models often several advantages. They provide a logical and systematic approach to decision-making, reducing the influence of emotional bias. By ensuring a true analysis of options, these models help leaders make well-informed decisions with a clear rationale. While rational decision-making models have many strengths, they also come with limitations. The process can be time-consuming and requires accurate and complete information. Additionally, it may overlook intuitive insight and can be complex to apply in real-world scenarios where all variables are not easily quantifiable. In practice, leaders often need to balance rational and intuitive decision making. While the rational model provides structure, intuition can offer valuable insight, especially in situations with incomplete information. Understanding when to rely on each approach and how to integrate them is a key to effective leadership decision making. In practice, leaders often need to balance rational and intuitive decision making. While rational models provide structure, intuition can offer valuable insight, especially in situations with incomplete information. Understand when to rely on each approach and how to integrate them is a key to effective leadership decision making. In conclusion, rational decision-making models include rational choice theory, offer structured approach that can significantly enhance the quality of decision by systematically evaluate options and making data-driven choices. Leaders can make decisions that are logical, transparent, and effective. I encourage you to apply these models in your leadership roles to achieve better outcomes.